The immediate concerns due to the large-scale migration caused by COVID-19 has been the people lost their jobs immediately, and they are also concerned that going back to the villages, there is no livelihood opportunity for them. They are also very much concerned that there is a fear of getting infected and also spreading infection. Then Pragati has been working in these villages of Koraput and Nabrangpur districts, and we immediately responded to the needs of communities. We started awareness campaigns by miking. Then we distributed soaps, masks, and also we identified the migrant households and we started distributing ration kits. We have a target to reach out to 3,000 such extremely poor and vulnerable households, and we are also planning to reach out to more households and trying to mobilize resources. And we are working with the district administration, like how the people should get access to PDS and the different benefits which the government is providing to them. The family members of the migrants staying back in the villages are concerned how their people will come back home. They are also bothered whether they will, when they come back, whether they will be having any opportunity in the villages. Further, they are also not bringing any remittances from their place of migration since they have already lost their jobs. Pragati has been working with the tribal communities in Koraput and Nabrangpur districts of South Odisha by creating different livelihood models specifically for the small and marginal farmers, how to enhance production from small lands. So we have introduced system of crop intensification, created different irrigation models and half-acre model farming system to enhance production, to ensure their food security so that they can also earn from their small land holdings, and it helps in reducing the scale of migration. Then we have also intervention for the landless households. They can be provided with alternative opportunities like goatry, poultry, and location-specific livelihood like mushroom, so that they get engaged within their villages and it has impact on reducing the scale of migration. These models need to be scaled up in different parts of the state and also country so that the production from agriculture can increase. The people will get employment in the agriculture and other off-farm livelihood sectors which are available within the villages, in the nearby villages, so that the people can get employment and the scale of migration is reduced.